Welcome, friends. Well, you've thrown a load of laundry in like you have many times before. It goes through the wash cycle fine, but now at the rinse spin cycle, it suddenly isn't rinsing or spinning, and all you can hear is a humming sound.
So you hear that clicking.
Luckily, my brother was here visiting, so he could help me out in trying to diagnose what the problem might be.
Spin. Oh. See, a motor's running.
First, let's check the belt on the motor to see if it's broken. Well, the belt isn't broken, so now let's check the lid lock switch to see if that's defective. Let's pull off the top to get to the switch. You can simply pull the top forward, then you can tilt it up. We wanted to remove and dismantle the switch to see if it was worn or had broken parts. We also unscrewed the control panel to see what's going on inside. With the schematic in the manual that came with the washer, you can check voltages and resistance if you have a meter. It looked a little bit questionable, so I decided to order a new switch and put it on. I went online to this great appliance parts company, Part Select, that I've ordered from before. You enter in the model number and problem you're having, and they give you the most likely components to break down. It was here in a couple of days and I installed it, and guess what? It wasn't the problem. So I decided to bring the washer out of the laundry room and take the whole shell off of it and go from there. Well, I had to take the drain hose off first, and well, wouldn't you know, the hose and line, it was packed with sand and dirt. That's what was keeping it from spinning and rinsing. So if you live in a southern state with a lot of sand and have this problem, please check your drain hose first. It only cost me $50 for the lid lock switch, but hey, that's way cheaper than calling in a washer repairman or buying a new washer. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos.